going to get much better information. You're going to be able to see history of communications, and with that customer, collaboration with that customer. We can automatically capture and track emails against the customer. We can make it really easy to record the latest update, put in a comment. If somebody is away or out and we need to see what was the last email or what was the last communication, we can easily capture that in Monday, which is not as easily done in Excel. Everything's timestamped, so we can see, I put in a comment saying, spoke to Johnny, he needs this. We can see when I spoke to Johnny, what time was it, who did it. Much better collaboration and transparency in terms of who's saying what to the customer. The ability then to create quotes or proposals from the information that we've got in Sales and CRM and create a nice document that we can send to the customer. We can create a template and then we can populate that template from the information we've captured and create a nice document that we can send to the customer. And that's just scratching the surface in terms of some of the pros. From a con perspective, obviously we've got to bring our information across. So the information we've got in Excel, we've got to get that into Monday. Luckily, that's pretty straightforward. We've got an Excel import tool that can bring that information in. What that will do as well is that will identify where we've got duplicates. So if, for example, we've got 2 entries for a company or 2 contacts of the same name at a company, the system will automatically identify those and allow us then to pick the correct one or the right one.